Ladies and gentlemen, everyone wants to be rich, but few are willing to do what it actually takes. Elon Musk, one of the richest men on Earth, didn't start with wealth. He started with ideas, an insane work ethic, and an unshakable belief in the impossible. He once said, "I think it's possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Not born to be extraordinary, but choose to be. If you want to become rich, don't chase money. Chase problems, because money follows value. Solve something hard, something meaningful, and the world will pay you for it." Musk worked 100 hours a week when others worked 40. Why? Because if you're doing what others aren't willing to do, you'll achieve what others can't even dream of. He didn't just build companies, he built visions. Tesla, to accelerate sustainable energy. SpaceX, to make humans a multi-planetary species. Who thinks like that? Someone who's not afraid to fail. Because becoming rich isn't about luck. It's about risk. Calculated risk. About betting on yourself when no one else does. About sacrificing comfort today for greatness tomorrow. And here's the truth. He got criticized, doubted, even laughed at, but he welcomed it. Because in his words, a well-thought-out critique is as valuable as gold. So if you want to become rich, don't just look at your bank account. Look at your value account. How much are you learning? How much are you building? How bold are your dreams? Don't follow the trends. Question them. Break them. Set new ones. Be relentless. Be curious. Be fearless. Because that's how Elon did it. And if he did, so can you.